everyone, it's me Zoe, aka Soft Glam Zo. I'm super excited to be posting my everyday makeup tutorial here on this channel because it's been like over a year since I last posted, but I'm super excited to be uploading more content on this channel. So I'm just starting off with a clean face, and if anyone's interested in my skincare routine, let me know in the comments below. But yeah, other than that, let's get started. Lately I've been really enjoying this primer. It's an HD primer. It's like studio photogenic. If you just want like a smooth base and you don't really want to see all that texture. Not saying that texture is bad, but sometimes like you just want a smooth look. So this primer is really good for that. Moisturize before like putting on primer, because you don't want your primer to be like your main source of moisturization. Brush them up and like into the place that I want. So for foundation, I just use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and this color is Cappuccino. So I mix that with this foundation from NARS Sheer Glow, and this is the shade Moorea. It looks like this, and I just like mix the two. I kind of just like do circular motion, swipe it. I do a little bit of everything. I try not to blend like too heavy under my eye because I know I'm gonna put concealer there and I don't want it to look like too cakey. So I'm using this concealer from Kosas in shade 7. I really like this concealer because it has caffeine in it, which is like really good for brightening the under eyes. I just spray my brush with setting spray a little bit. You can use anything. But yeah, with my concealer, I kind of like blend it down to cover here and then like blend it out across my face. I just like to brush my brows up before doing them, and then kind of like along, go down. Yeah, so I like to start from the middle and just kind of lightly brush up and then follow that down and just create like a sharp point. And then here I just like to lightly stroke. Upward strokes, really gentle to mimic like hairs. This concealer has just been kind of like setting into my skin. So now I'm going to be using pressed powder, the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade Coconut, and just kind of like setting underneath. And I'm kind of just like dabbing and like brushing the powder. So now, this is the best part. I'm using this Bobbi Brown bronzer. This is the best bronzer in the world. Yeah, deep, it's number 4. So I'm just using an angled brush, and I'm just like tapping off the excess and just brushing upwards. Going around like the perimeter of my face. Nars Afterglow, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Using the red color, it's called Exhibit A. Look at how pretty this blush is. I didn't even like apply that much because it's like really pigmented. Oh, it's so pretty. Honestly, like for highlight, I just like use my ring cream. I love highlight. It just adds that to every look. Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. And I'm taking the color Raw Sienna. It's just like a brown, like a light brown color. And I'm just applying that on my lids. And then I'm just taking like a dark brown color and just putting that in my crease. I'm just taking eyeliner. I'm just really honestly just gonna do like a really thin line. I'm like the type of person, I love eyeliner in my waterline. You can take this look one of two ways. You can keep it cute, you can keep it natural by just applying some like mascara. Well, I'm gonna show you like the two things that you can do. That's how this look looks with mascara, but I'm gonna show you the lips. Just take the brown lip liner and just line my lips. And take gloss from the beauty supply store. I'm gonna take my hair down. Natural, everyday. Or soften the lashes, take it up a notch. I love me some lashes, long lashes. And if you don't know how to apply lashes, I do have a lash tutorial. It is from 2020, but it's still valid. So here is the finished look. I feel like you know your makeup looks bomb if it like looks good in bathroom lighting. So here's me in the bathroom. So I really hope everyone enjoyed watching this video. I know I had so much fun filming it. So if you liked it, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and follow me on social media. Until next time, bye.